Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is our writing week, and as you might guess, we have a special program for you today. So to tell you all about it, I'm going to turn it over to Victoria.
Well, welcome back, everyone. As always, we are so grateful to have you here. Yes, we do have something special in store. Occasionally, we do have guests, just so you know. So, we have invited Vanessa Sperling to join us. She describes herself as an estranged writer, which I find very curious because I place myself in that camp as well, as many of you who watch know. I had 2 decades where I lost track of my novel. Well, Vanessa, not by the same circumstance, which is what derailed me, she was estranged by choice. So it's a little bit of a different twist on how sometimes the priority of writing and being true to that call in your heart can just get away from you. So tomorrow in the map, we're going to dig into some of those practical ways that you can incorporate the writing habit into your daily practices or whenever you can get to it, because I know some of you in Kathleen's troop are time pressed. So we're going to try to maximize what we can. We're going to approach this as comrades. No one here is smarter than or better than the other. We're all in this together. And as Vanessa said behind the scenes earlier, which we will talk about in the map, every new book is a new world. It's a new experience, and we are all beginners. So we will speak to that concept of imposter syndrome. There's no such thing as an imposter because when it's a new world, we're all new. I hate to say it, but it's true. So, Vanessa, do you want to take a quick moment and say hey to everyone before we wrap up and then head over to the map?
Hey, sure, I would. Hi, everybody. Again, I'm Vanessa Sperling, and I have some confessions to make about my writing life. So I hope you'll tune in and hear what I did wrong.
Thank you so very much, Vanessa. Thank you, Victoria. And this time I'm just going to be a viewer like you and delight in what I can learn from Vanessa, because I hate to say it, but my fiction writing's been a bit stalled of late. And so I'm hoping to get some pointers as well. So join us tomorrow for the map, and we'll get into a lovely interview with Vanessa Sperling. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
See ya.